All right, this is week 2, and in this week 2, we're talking about understanding KDP essentials. Understanding KDP essentials, and we'll be having the interactive question and answer later on via Google Meet. Yeah, so KDP essentials. So what we'll be covering in this video is KDP essential tools on the KDP book models, KDP book format, essential standard that your book need to mirror as far as KDP publishing is concerned. So KDP essential tools, KDP essential tools, and depending on the gadget you are using for this business will determine how you go about installing all of these. So, but the processes are all the same. Yeah, the processes are all the same. So, if you are using smartphone, but please just know that this training is mostly for people that are using their PC. Yeah, it is stressful to do this business with your smartphone. I repeat, it is stressful to do this business with your smartphone. So you need to get a laptop. But in case you don't have a laptop yet, you can still use your smartphone to proceed. But you will just have to learn to be implementing what you learn with the PC version on your smartphone. So if you are using your smartphone, the number one device or the number one application you need to install on your smartphone is the Kiwi browser. This Kiwi browser will help you to operate your smartphone with PC functionalities. You understand? It will help you to operate your smartphone with PC functionalities. And how do we do that? You go to your Play Store, you go to Play Store, and then you search for Kiwi browser. Go to Play Store and search for Kiwi browser. Search for Kiwi browser, and then all you just have to do is to do what is to install it. And when you are done installing it, you open it up. When you open it up, um you go to your browser, which is Google, and search for all of these extensions that we have listed here, and you install them one after the other. You install them one. So you go to Google, you search for DS Amazon Quick View, you install it. You search for this, you install it. You search for this, you install it. You search for this, you install. And then you also go back to Google Play Store and install Google Docs, Google Sheet, and all of that. These tools that here, this KD Spy, you need to install it, and it is paid. But you don't need to get it now because you need to pay a certain amount of money to get that. So for now, keep using free stuff, make the money that you will need to buy all of these. And then for people that are using laptop, you just go straight to your Google browser and then or your Chrome browser, and you search for this, you add it to Chrome, search for this, you add to Chrome, and all of that. Let me show you exactly how to do that so that we proceed. So for those using laptop, for those using smartphone, you have installed your Kiwi browser. Now you open your Kiwi browser and then you search for DS Amazon Quick View. Search for DS Amazon Quick View. So you search for it, you open it, and you add it. Like now, me, I've already added this, so let me remove it. So all you just have to do is to do what you click add to Chrome. You click OK, and then you add to Chrome. Then you search for AMZ suggestion expander also. AMZ suggestion expander, you open the first one, and then you click add to Chrome as well. Yeah, and you do that for all others. Productor for Mesh by Amazon, you know, you search for this, you add, and all of that. So it's the same way. So for Google Docs, all you just have to do is to go to Play Store and download Google Docs as well, or you can directly use Google Doc with your smartphone. So, but let me show us how to do that with to install it from Play Store, Google Docs. So you have it here, you install it. The reason why I have not installed it is because I don't need it. I don't need to use it. So that's how to do that with your smartphone. And with this tool now, um you'll be able to implement all that to be teaching as we progress on this journey. So for those of you that are using laptop, all you just have to do is to go to your Chrome browser and search for DS Amazon Quick View. So let me search for it here. DS Amazon Quick View. Look at it here. And you open the first link that you see here and you add it to Chrome. You also show here. So add to Chrome, you add it, add extension, and it applies to every other one. So you also search for all other extensions that are here, add all of them as well. So to access your Google Docs or your Microsoft Word, um, all you just have to do Google Doc, you come to this section, this Google Apps, this section that is here, and you click here, you will see all the apps, Google Docs, Google Sheets. So you can just click on Google Docs and you open it up. So blank, so you can start using this. And Microsoft Word app is also here, where you can just use your Microsoft Word app and do your work. So it's that simple. It's that simple. So the next thing for you to have at the back is this Publisher Rocket and KD Spy. They are paid tools. They are paid tools. I have Publisher Rocket, and as a bonus to you for being a participant of this training, from time to time, I'll be sharing highly profitable topics that I discovered using this software with you. Yeah, and as soon as I drop that topic, go out there and start publishing on it, because you definitely make money. Yeah, so that is how powerful the software is. It's the whole journey for you when it comes to keyword research and all of that. Yeah. So understanding KDP book model. Understanding KDP book model. We talk about no content publishing, low content publishing, and high content publishing. These are all different publishing models that people venture into, as far as the publishing, the writing and publishing business is concerned. Yeah, but this training is focused on high content publishing. Please, I don't do low content or no content publishing. They are profitable, but they are highly competitive. High content publishing are also profitable and also competitive, but I prefer doing it because very few persons do it, since it is quite difficult. Yeah, so that is why I like doing high content publishing, and it's easy for a beginner to make money doing high content publishing as compared to low content publishing, because since the crowd is on the low content and the no content publishing, competition is very high there. And if you're an absolute beginner, you might not have the resources to do the advanced marketing, the advanced designs and all of that. So you might end up losing out big time. Yeah, so I do high content publishing. So what is high content publishing? High content publishing, there are top niches that publishers make money with when it comes to high content publishing. And the number one niche is what? Business and money niche. People want to learn how to make money. It's that simple. Every now and then people want to learn how to make money. So as a content creator, you can create a book around this and solve that problem for people, and automatically as a buy, you make money. Health, fitness, and diet. People want to learn how to live healthy. They want to learn how to look healthy, and they want to learn how to eat healthily. So if you can create content for this, you solve their problem, you add values to their life, they pay you for it. And then cookbook and cook slash diet books. These are niches that teaches people on how to prepare certain recipes and all of that. And if you do that for them, they pay you for it. And another niche is the travel guide. People want to learn how to travel to different locations, and they also want to learn how not to violate laws or get lost when they arrive at certain location. Let's say travel Canada travel guide, UK travel guide, Ivory Coast travel guide, Nigeria travel guide. People want to learn what they need to know before they get to certain locations, so that they don't get into trouble, and then also get to know wonderful places that they can visit if they arrive at certain locations. So as we proceed on this journey, you learn how to do all of this. And then another niche is a sex niche. People want to learn how to have good sex life, relationship. People want to learn how to have good relationship with their spouse, their leaders, people they look up to, be it in place of work and all of that. Parenting. People want to learn the concept of parenting and how to guide niche. People want to learn how to do a lot of stuff. Religion, these are all wonderful niches that you can um write books on and solve people problem and make money as well. So KDP book format, there are three major formats that we are working on as far as this business model is concerned, and that is ebook, paperback, and hardcover. So the ebook version of your book are the electronic version of your books that people don't really need to get physical contact with. So they download it to their gadget, be it smartphone, iPad, desktop, and all of that, and they read it online. So then you make money, publishing your ebooks. And as soon as you publish your ebook, also publish your paperback, because sometimes when people interact with your electronic version of your book, they want to have a physical version of your book as well. And that is where you make your paperback available to them, and then the hardcover and all of that. So Amazon take charge of all of this and make it available to your customers. Now, essential standard for your books. One of the most important thing you need to know about publishing is that the number one is emphasize on quality above quantity. Emphasize on quality above quantity, no matter what. If you have 10 quality books that is giving you $1,000 per month, is more important than having 100 books that don't even give you $100 per month. And the goal of this training is to show you how to write quality books, not quantity. Yeah, quality books are not quantity. And then cost-effective approach. Yeah, when it comes to cost-effective approach, you need to have that at the back of your mind, because you're a businessman. And one of the best things you need to learn is to learn how to operate your business at a low cost. Because if you don't learn this, you might end up spending a lot of money and not making profit at the end of the day. Yeah, and how do you spend money with this KDP business? If you are adding too many images to your work, you will end up losing money, because the cost of printing for that book will increase. People will need to Amazon will need to add more inks, to print your work and all of that. So reduce the number of images that you add to your books, so that the cost of printing will be low. And also, depending on the need, there are some niche that don't need 200 pages of books, 300 pages of books. So the higher the number of pages of your book, the higher the cost of printing. So you need to have that at the back of your mind. And then also know that there are different niches, and all of these niche um require different approach. So like niche on business and money don't need too many images, except you just want to illustrate one or two things. Health niche don't need too many images, but fitness niche need a lot of image, because we are teaching people how to exercise the different part of their body. You need to demonstrate that with image. Now, cookbook niche, you might need to demonstrate or illustrate some of the pictures of those cook or those recipes and all of that. Travel guide niche need a lot of image, because they need to see the image of the different locations you are talking about and all of that. And sex niche, for instance, you want to talk about the different sex position, you need images for this. And the relationship niche don't need image. Parenting don't need image, except you want to give little graphic illustration. How to guide niche, you might need image. Religions niche, you might not need image and all of that. So depending on the niche you are publishing will determine what is expected of you. Yeah, what is expected of you. And then the next thing is, what is the task that you need to carry out as far as this week is concerned? The number one task is that you need to finalize both your KDP and GeekPay or Gray.co account setup. If you are yet to do that, you just need to square that up before the week runs out. And then also install the various Chrome extension that we have stated in this video. Whether you are using smartphone, install all the Chrome extensions that are here. You are using desktop or laptop, install all the Chrome extensions that we are talking about, that we have listed there. Yeah, very important. So as soon as you are done with that, you are ready for the next section of this training. And we'll do that section by Sunday. We'll have a live section where we'll be asking ourselves questions, so that if, for instance, at the course of doing all of this, you got into any problem, you ask your questions during the live section. And also very important, if you are yet to make payment for this coaching program, ensure to do so by month ending, because that was your promise. Yeah, ensure to do so by month ending, so that you will be able to benefit from all that is in store for you as far as this training is concerned. Yeah, so thank you, and see you in the live section.